We are the sensor and science team, and we are in charge of the science task.
So, we are the tracking team, and we are in charge of the navigation task.
We're interface team, and we're in charge of visual lighting and control pro team.
We are the ARM team, and we're in charge of the maintenance task.
Hello, we are Vision team, and we are in charge of object recognition for autonomous tasks.
Hi, we're the management team, and we're in charge of the presentation task.
Robocol began in 2010 as a student initiative led by a small group of engineering students at the University of Los Andes, working on robotics-oriented projects. Our main goal has been to provide students with a complementary education in different cross-functional project environments, and we've had the opportunity to partake in different competitions globally. Due to the current situation, we focused our work on design and automation. We finished our new rocker traction system with its corresponding differential and a new sample collection and analysis mechanism called EBA. For the robotic arm, we've taken an inverse kinematic approach, mainly using the MoveIt package from ROS, which allows for route planning, obstacle avoidance, and adding scenes through sensors. Autonomous and remote operation approaches are used to control the arm by joining the depth camera information to the scene for precise scene reconstruction. We used visual recognition algorithms for detecting obstacles or points of interest such as AR tags, colors, or geometries. To recognize different kinds of buttons and switches, machine learning algorithms are being trained with a depth camera in order to calculate the position relative to the end effector. Apart from this, ROS nodes were manufactured, allowing to take pictures of the Mars yard whenever desired.